Hello and welcome to Can He Get a Date? Today's lucky guy is Paul Erdös from Budapest, Hungary. Tell us a little about yourself, Paul.
For those of you that don't know me, I'm a famous mathematician. My parents were both math teachers, which really sparked my interest in math. At the age of 3, I was multiplying 3-digit numbers. By the age of 4, I was using negative numbers, adding, subtracting, basic stuff. By the age of 17, I got my PhD and graduated college, which set off my number theory quest, and I've been writing plenty of papers on those. And I also won the Wolf Prize in mathematics in 1983.
All right. So, for Paul, we have 2 lovely ladies to choose from. Contestants 1 and 2, why don't you introduce yourselves?
Hi, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Lexi.
All right, Paul, do you have a question for these lovely ladies?
Yes. What are you all's thoughts on the number theorem?
I went to college, but I just took math because I had to, so I can't really tell you much.
Yeah, I majored in art in college, so I just am mainly interested in like painting and colors and how colors react to each other. And, yeah, so don't know much about math.
Oh, well, like I said before, I've written over 1,500 papers over the number theorem, so if you guys do want to learn more about it, I guess you could just read those or hit me up.
Okay. All right.
Contestant number 1, do you have a question for Paul?
So Paul, what do you like to do on the weekend?
I really enjoy working out math problems on my chalkboard and also going to math workshops and stuff with my friends on the weekend. I also like to take their money because, I am homeless.
You're homeless?
Yeah.
Okay, learn something.
Contestant number 2, do you have a question for Paul?
Yes. Paul, what are you passionate about?
Oh, really just numbers, prime numbers, the set theory, the number theory, geometry, the number theory, set theory, prime numbers, geometry, number theory, geometry, set theory, prime numbers, geometry.
Paul, why don't you ask another question to these ladies?
Oh, ladies, what are your favorite movies? How about you, contestant 1?
Well, my favorite movie would have to be Pride and Prejudice. I just love the story and I think it's so romantic.
My favorite is any franchise movies like Harry Potter, Star Wars, things like that. What about you?
Oh, well, I can see that none of you guys like math-related stuff, but I'll just say that my favorite movie is over a famous mathematician. It's kind of like a biography kind of thing. I'll leave it at that.
Alrighty then. So, what do you like in a girl?
Oh, they have to be beautiful, like numbers. If numbers aren't beautiful, then I don't know what is.
Okay. Paul, if you had the power, what would you make the national pastime?
If I had the power to make the national pastime anything I wanted, it would definitely be have people work together to try to find the next prime number. If not, it would take over 1,000,000 years for us to understand prime numbers.
Okay.
Paul, we have time for one more question. Why don't you ask these ladies your final question?
All right, last question. Can either of you ladies tell me what the Hartley-Riemann-Jawan-Taran theorem is?
The what?
Paul, could you please repeat the question?
The Hartley-Riemann-Jawan-Taran theorem. Can you tell me what that is?
I don't know.
No, I'm sorry. I don't know anything about that.
These don't seem like my kind
Well,
of things.
Paul has gotten to know contestants 1 and 2. Who will he choose right after these messages? When we're back, Paul has just learned all about contestants 1 and 2. Who will he pick?
Well, after asking a few questions, you guys are really lovely, and I'm sure you're great people, but I think I'm going to stick with the numbers, and specifically the prime numbers, the ultimate prime number. Number 1, I can't wait to go on a date.